लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स फॉर मी. अब इंडिया आया हूँ, 8 साल दुबई रह के आया हूँ, तो थोड़ा तो अभी से इंग्लिश बन गया मेरा. आई एक्चुअली गॉट अ स्कूल टीचर एट बरिस्टा कैफे to teach me. If I see a Tintin the dog, my demeanor is very different.
Yeah.
If I see you, my demeanor is very different.
So the whole purpose of GST, the podcast, is also to learn from people.
English तुम्हाला तुमचं चांगलं करायचं असेल ना, A to Z, also to say that Z.
Tortoise.
I was not tortoise.
I was tortoise boy.
If you अब VERY आने वाला है तो ग्लेन सल्डाना अब सोचेगा VERY को मैं कैसे प्रोनाउंस. No, it has to come naturally. No?
I know. I'm trying to do it. Very.
No, but ये है.
Are you doing some courses or some classes where people can learn from you?
So I'm on board with Miss India and Miss India to train them for diction and speech and stage presentation.
What exercises do you do for your voice? See, one is do not smoke.
Okay, I'll just send my invoice with the plus GST for this coaching class. Yeah?
Are just two
GST plus GST. Learning never stops for me. I will tell you, cut to when I came back to India, this whole Hindi English bit me back.
Okay.
I'm going to also be comfortable. Yeah, thanks, bro.
Yeah. बसा. आता आपण comfortable झाले तर बसूया आपण.
How long do you want it? Depends on you. Huh?
हाँ.
So Hindi English bit me back. Why I will tell you is when I came back to India. अब इंडिया आया हूँ, 8 साल दुबई रह के आया हूँ, तो थोड़ा तो अभी से इंग्लिश बन गया मेरा. एंड इट वाज इंग्लिश. एंड जब मैं वॉइस ओवर्स के ऑडिशन के लिए जाता था तो मुझे बोला मराठी के वॉइस ओवर के लिए आओ. तो मैंने मराठी के वॉइस ओवर के लिए गया. तो मुझे लिटरली फीडबॅक दिया गया, थोडंसं ना इंग्रजाळलेलं मराठी आहे तुमचं, विच मीन्स थोड़ा सा एंग्लिसाइज्ड मराठी है
With an English twang.
विद एन इंग्लिश ट्वैंग. सो थोड़ा वो कम करना चाहिए. तो आई रियलाइज शिट, विच मीन्स माय मराठी इज नॉट ग्रेट.
Right.
मराठी वॉज एनीवेज नॉट माय लाईक अ फुल पॉवर. मी अस्खलित मराठी असं बोलत नव्हतो की आज आपण ह्या कार्यक्रमात वैसा वाला नाही. बट देन आय सेड इफ आय हॅव टू डू मराठी व्हॉइस ओव्हर्स आय हॅव टू वर्क ऑन माय सेल्फ. I actually got a school teacher at Barista Cafe to teach me 3 to 4 sessions of Marathi language lessons.
And you are a Marathi speaking boy.
Yes.
Still आपने decide किया.
Why?
जुबान साफ होने के लिए, pronunciation के लिए.
See, voicing के लिए diction is very important. You can't just have आवाज है तो बोल लेते हो. वो लहजा भी होता है ना.
हाँ.
When I speak in Marathi, I should not sound like I am a Maharashtrian. I am an English speaking person.
हाँ, correct.
When I speak Hindi ऐसा लगना नहीं चाहिए किसी को ये कि हिंदी नहीं बोल पाएगा, ये तो अंग्रेजी टाइप
English type बोल रहा है.
इंग्लिश टाइप बोल रहा है. सो हर भाषा की अपनी एक पहचान है, उस पहचान को बनाने रखा.
और respect होना जरूरी है उसकी. You know when you're speaking in that sense.
Exactly. See, if you analyze and you say I want to respect that language, all that, literally, honestly speaking, that's over analyzing and over digging into it. But you just said
नहीं होता है फिर ना.
नहीं
अगर over जाएंगे
You
तो.
over analyze anything. सामने ये खड़ा है तो मैं अब ऐसे बात करूंगा. No, I don't want to do that. It has to come naturally to you for language, for people, for demeanor, everything.
Yeah.
The switch has to come immediate.
Yep.
If I see a Tintin the dog, my demeanor is very different.
Yeah.
If I see you, my demeanor is very
Yeah.
different. I've seen Ari, I'm seeing him for the first time. My demeanor is very different. It's a natural switch, no?
Right.
Why do I have to function and waste that brain? The brain has to be ready, no? Why do you have to tell him कि अब ये मिल रहा है तो चलो अब ऐसे behave करो.
हाँ.
अब ये है ना, ये मराठी भाषा है तो चलो इसको रिस्पेक्ट देके बात
ओवर एनालाइज करेंगे तो किल हो जाती है ना.
Kill हो जाती है भाई.
मोटिव पूरा पर्पस.
म्हणून आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि सो देयर इज नो एज फॉर लर्निंग. आई लर्न मराठी एट दैट टाइम एंड आई डू मराठी वॉइस ओवर्स प्रॉपर एकदम व्यवस्थित. So
For me, no, I'm also very bhuka of knowledge. When people talk, I'd like to listen and understand कि ये ऐसा आदमी करता क्या है जो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है. इस तरह से इतना ब्यूटीफुली XYZ people will do something. That is the whole purpose of GST, the podcast, is also to learn from people. Because I'm not saying I know it all. I definitely, the moment I say that, then I don't know it at all. Is to understand what is your whole drill. And what I actually understand from this entire conversation that we've had till now is one is tayari. Khoob tayari. You keep working all the time. Like right from the time when you said college days, you went to Borivali. From the other, you would travel after college to get those voice classes done, voice culture classes. Then you learn from different people. Then you got this ek trainer, is Marathi teacher school, to teach you how to get your work done and to improve your diction and your words.
spellings
Basic, no? हम कितना अंडरएस्टिमेट करते हैं ना इन सारी चीजों को.
इंग्लिश बोलना है ना, अच्छा तुम्हारा A to Z या so to say Z has to be clear. That's it.
परत बोला. Say it again.
English.
हाँ.
इंग्लिश तुम्हाला तुमचं चांगलं करायचं असेल ना, A to Z,
Z.
also to say that Z, आजकाल बोलतात ना
Z.
Z, it's a Z.
Z.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tortoise.
Tortoise.
I was taught tortoise.
I was tortoise boy.
If you correct your alphabets,
हाँ.
pronunciation of every alphabet, you're sorted.
Hmm.
आम्हाला लहानपणी, nobody told us it's a V.
Yeah.
We were always told,
V.
very,
Very good.
very good.
Very good.
Very was a W.
और भी मैटर करता है ना कितना वॉइसिंग
You change that. You see the smallest of things and you put it in your system and not say कि अब VERY आने वाला है तो ग्लेन सल्डाना अब सोचेगा VERY को मैं कैसे प्रोनाउंस करूं.
मसल मेमोरी बन जाता है
इतना एनालाइज मत करो.
वेरी आई एम वेरी हैप्पी
No, that's that's very
it's very
yeah, it's not very
appropriate.
wordy.
how say very
Very. No, it has to come naturally, no?
I know I'm trying to do it very
Very. Yeah. No, but yeah. So you have to get your alphabets right.
are you doing some courses or some classes where people can learn from you?
So the guy who couldn't speak English or Hindi, I proudly say, with no ego, with gratitude, I say that I'm on board with Miss India and Miss India to train them for diction and speech and stage presentation. So I do that individually for guys and girls who represent India on the
But
global
what about the millions of people that will be fanboying and fangirling over your timidity and your demure presence? उनके लिए क्या?
Take a deep breath. I'm thinking. Not yet. I haven't never really thought.
Do you
but
think
as and when people call me or ask me, I give them suggestions. I tell them what to do, the exercises, the tips and tricks you can do.
Hey, that takes me to the other one. What exercises do you do for your voice? See, one is do not smoke. If you smoke, your voice is going to get screwed. Baki, I don't know. I mean, that's basic hygiene if you want to get into the voice world or if you want to do anything with your voice.
This is GST, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just send my invoice with plus GST for this coaching class. Yeah?
Arey, just dude,
GST plus GST.
this is tax-free gyan, okay? That's the hashtag of our podcast. But tell me, what like basic thing, what do you do in the morning and all of that?